feel better if we let them out. The allergies are out. Let more of them out so the allergies go away. It's best to let them out because of the allergies. We have flower bushes.
Tell my nail was just so sweet.
No.
I don't want my nails. Oh, my nails.
I'm right here.